speakers that are some of the most talented artists, designers, and developers from around the world.
We changed the landscape of visual effects and feature films forever. To talk about innovation, research, and everything we think will happen in the next 10 to 15 years. To help artists visualize their ideas in the best possible way.
There are 3 different tracks. There's art, there's code, and there's craft. We also have some master classes here for those looking to take their skills to the next level.
Computer graphics is something that I really like. It's a passion for me since I was a kid. Be able to share my experiences and my vision for the future with you, it's great.
This is something much bigger, and our vision is much bigger than just talking about rendering or computer graphics in general.
I've been looking forward to saying this for a very long time. Welcome to Total Chaos.